It's Furbtastic here, and I'm here with baby Amelia. Yeah, so I'm just playing with her right now, and it's the morning, so I might be doing some stuff today. We're probably gonna go to the store, and I think I might take Amelia with me for a little outing. Yeah, you want to go to the store. And I also want to buy some stuff since we'll be going on a road trip to Texas soon. I'm not going to tell you the exact day right now, but we are going to Texas next week. And it'll be a 14-hour long road trip. Yeah, I think she's excited to go to Texas since I am thinking of bringing Amelia with me. And do you want to go to Texas? You want to go to Texas? Yeah, I think that's a yes. And there she's kicking those little legs. Yeah, those little legs. Here, let's sit you up. There. Now you look adorable this way. Yeah. Alright, so I just got Amelia all dressed up. Yeah, and she looks all cute. I'm adorable. Yeah, you are adorable. So there she's got her shirt on and her shorts on. And she's also got her cute blue hair tie that matches her shirt. Instead of make it match, since it will be a lot more cuter. Yeah, it match. Yeah, it does match. So we're gonna be going to the store in like less than 7 minutes now. I don't wanna grow up. I'm a Toys R Us kid. Toys R Us is still currently there, or I better go to the dogs. Oh my gosh, guys are so tiny. I wanna go stuff. And I am taking some baby wipes for the road trip and some sunscreen. And probably might do a haul after this. This would definitely work great for Amelia after school. There's also my brother's taking this and some. Look how much it's raining, guys. It looks like there's gonna be some kind of tornado or flood. Bad idea to wear these kind of shoes. So apparently, once we got outside of the dollar store, like it was raining really, really hard, as you have seen on the footage. And pretty much my shoes got soaked. And Amelia is just laying down right there because she is tired. And I might put her down for a nap, but she's just gonna lay down right there for now. But I did buy some stuff for the road trip at the dollar store. So here's my haul. And some of it I've already shown it to you. So first of all, I got this microfiber hand towel. And it has a cute little bunny on it. And I think it's kind of like a washcloth, sort of. But I want to see if it could work as a towel, so I'm going to open it up. So it has this cute little purple bunny face on it. And this is what it looks like. So maybe I could use this as a beach towel for Amelia. Or maybe after when she's done swimming or something. And this hook can be so I could dry it off. Or maybe get the sand off of it. Here, Amelia, do you want to try it? Try to lay down. Oh, yeah, she doesn't want to. She's sleepy right now. But this will definitely work well for the vacation. And next I've got some sunscreen. So this is Banana Boat Ultra Sport Sunscreen. This is it. So this is like a tiny travel size sunscreen. And probably might use this on Amelia and also on myself. And it's gonna expire in a few years, so she'll last for a while. And next I've also got some travel size baby wipes. So this is the Pampers Sensitive Baby Wipes. And there's like 18 of them. And I'm gonna use those on Amelia if I'm gonna like clean her face up or change her diaper. Well, probably mostly for diaper changes because she's a baby, of course. So I'm just gonna use that to clean her. And I've also got this cute bandana bib. So this is also gonna be for feeding her while I'm on vacation. Probably like in the car, or if she gets hungry, I can put this cute bib on her, which has little gray hearts on it. So I can use this for boys too, since it has a gender neutral design on it. So this is gonna be for feeding Amelia. And also, I've got this cute unicorn cup holder. I like to use those kind of cup holders as floaties. So Amelia can probably sit down on it and hang out on a little floaty. And they also have a palm tree one, but I said I'd get the unicorn one, even though I do have the unicorn one. But that floaty belongs to Madeline. So this one can be Amelia's. So this is like a different kind of unicorn. And it's really cute. And she'll be using that. And then I've also got an insect cage. Since I love catching bugs, it's actually really fun. And I could carry this around. I'll probably be catching bugs in Texas. But there's gonna be grasshoppers and snails and stuff. Maybe some sea critters. We'll just have to see. And last but not least, I've got some pool noodles. And both of these pool noodles are gummy for making little arm floaties for the dolls. And I might use the purple one so I can make some for Amelia. And she's already got her own swimsuit, and we'll pack a few swim diapers too. But I know that this particular doll is not supposed to be in water, but she'll be just crawling on the sand maybe. Well, we'll see. But this was a quick Dollar Tree haul. But then pretty soon we're also going to be going to a birthday party in a few hours, which is going to be for a kid. Here, maybe I'm going to hold Amelia for now. We'll lay her down for a nap. And maybe give her a little bit of a bottle. But we are going to the birthday party for a boy. Not telling his name, but we have visited him and met him before. And we're going there. And I might record a little bit of footage. I'll just try without showing anyone's faces. So we'll just have to see. And I'm excited. I don't know if Amelia could come or not. But we'll see. Here, let's take the pacifier out of your mouth. Let's give you your bottle. There you go. There we go, you're all done. Oops. Here's your pacifier back. Now let's just lay down into your bed. There you go. Alright, have a nice nap, sweetie. Now maybe I'm just gonna let her nap for like an hour or two. I don't think I can see it very well, guys, but it's raining a whole lot right now. Like, it looked like that was gonna flood at first. It's hard to tell. I don't know why. Through my phone, I guess I just couldn't record it somehow, or for some reason. I think Amelia's been sleeping for a little while now, so I'm gonna wake her up and check on her. Looks like Amelia has already woken up. Oh, wanna get up now? Here we go. Look, Amelia, I'm still doing the vlog right now. Yeah. Pee. Yeah, is her diaper wet? Alright, let's go change it. You are drooling a little bit there. I guess it might have been from your sleep. Let's go change you. Oh, it's thundering a lot right now. Alright, Amelia, don't get scared. I better change you all up. Alright, so I got her diaper all changed up and now she's all clean. Alright, let's go. Alright, Amelia, you don't need that pacifier right now. But before we play, I must brush your hair so it will stay all nice and into that cute little side ponytail. I better just get that brushed out and that's it. Good girl. Ponytail. Yeah, it's a ponytail. Now let's brush your bangs too. You got some pretty little bangs there. Yeah. Bangs. I love my bangs. Yeah, I love your bangs. Your hair just looks so cute when it's like that. I like you like that. Yeah. Wait, mommy. Playing again? Yes, Amelia, you can play now. Let me go get your rattle. Who's a good little spider girl? Yeah. Alright, my birthday party, and this is a window, there's a guy, and there's his room.
Okay. So Zach, you got that. Wait, Zach, you're building the outrider, right?
That's what's like.
Yeah, Zach, and then you build. Yeah.
Bless you.
I was coughing.
Alright. There's some crazy stuff happening right now. Oh, there's dog. And there's also a little spider Enix.
Spider Enix. So could everyone in Enix can?
Yeah, girl.
What that mouse do?
I'm on top of the bed!
Clocky, on the bed.
I'm actually jealous of this kid.
Yeah.
Some crazy going on there.
Wait, you're trying, babe. Hey guys, what's your favorite song?
I like the Troll soundtrack. Well, I like different kinds of songs. That sounds pretty cool.
I like Sunflower. Here,
Still partying. Spider-Man's illegally dabbing, guys.
Oh, so did you find
Spider-Man's illegally dabbing!
There's some
Here's a funny cover.
What guys I tried to you? No.
I'm recording your butt right now.
He said I can.
So I just came back from the birthday party and it was really awesome. So it was for a boy's 9th birthday. And he does have a YouTube channel and I think it's called like Sasha something. So you can go and subscribe to him. So this is just the party favors I got. I got the Barf Ooze Ball, this fake Barbie, but she is cute though. And then some a little notepad with a pencil sharpener and some cute erasers. So these are just my party favors. So this is it for this vlog, guys. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. And in the comments below, tell me which part of the day was your favorite. And I hope you have an awesome day. Bye, and I better go to bed.